Hello, good day, tutor and peers. My beach vacation. My name is Elkin Fabian Cuellar. Okay, the best vacation, family vacation in Guadalajara, Tolima. Enjoy and experience unique family moments. Please. And this occasion, it will teach you about a very beautiful experience that it lived 3 years ago next to my family and friends. In this photo, meet with people um, went to visit grandparents, and you can see Arid and France what make the holidays so special and is that wanted to visit my grandparents and long time ago and choose and uniform heterodox did with them. Um, on other parts, it put image in the touch on enters the landscapes and discovering on interested in is yet too much fun enchanting different species of birds and reptiles and flowers and birds and very beautiful plants and coach attention. Uh, in return again to meet grandparents and others persons and then make fears and add fun listen to their stories. Histories and tested was undoubtedly one of the best vacation of life and it in good mood, very good, for allowing me to live to good eat. Okay, thanks, Gerendis and Brentis.